call this one egg theory to practice in the pursuit of over easy. In this case, I'm going to do a little bit of a little classic mixture of both olive oil and butter. Already some olive oil in there, now some butter. The burner is on high. I always use a high burner to cook eggs unless I'm doing something like a bain-marie scrambled, where you do them at very low heat. But just let the butter get hot. Almost to browning, but you want to get the eggs in there before it totally browns, because when it starts browning, it's a very quick process, it burns. So you want to get the eggs in there to cool down, because the eggs will cool down the cooking at that point. So yeah, boring video, huh? Now see, it's starting to brown right now, so it's hot. So the eggs go in. And you start what I call it tidying up, you know, all the bubbles and everything. But you don't like fuck with it beyond that. Too much. These are over easy. If you want to do a nice sunny side up, you could do lower heat, and then you cover it, maybe even drop in a little, you know, few tablespoons of water for steaming, because you're steaming the tops. Theory to practice. Eggs. Hi, Keith Norris. Theory to practice. They're about ready to go over. Right there. You hit the heat off. You hit the heat off, and then you flip them like that. And 1, 2, 3. I'm going to use a spatula because I really don't want all the pan fat on the plate. You know, no need to eat that. Plenty of fat in the egg. So, here we go. Little salt and pepper seasoning right there. And there we go. Not bad. Oh, wait. Here's how it should look. You get done. Poke those yolks. Spread them all over. Now, the crispy whites, the runny, warm yolks. That is delicious.